Maintaining optimal health can be challenging, especially for women juggling multiple roles. However, the journey to a healthier you doesn't have to be difficult. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost your health is by improving your gut health. Your gut is not only the center of your digestive system, but also plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, including weight management and detoxification. In this video, we will explore the most powerful overnight gut health drinks that can help you lose weight and cleanse your system while you sleep. These drinks are easy to prepare, delicious, and packed with nutrients that support your digestive health. The importance of gut health. Gut health is a cornerstone of overall health. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, houses trillions of bacteria that affect everything from digestion to mental health. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for effective digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Conversely, an imbalance in gut bacteria known as dysbiosis can lead to a host of issues, including bloating, inflammation, weight gain, and even mental health disorders. Gut health and weight loss. There is a growing body of evidence linking gut health to weight management. The gut microbiome influences how we store fat, how we balance blood glucose levels, and how we respond to hormones that make us feel hungry or full. By improving gut health, you can enhance your body's ability to shed excess weight. Key ingredients for gut health drinks. To create the most powerful overnight gut health drinks, it's essential to use ingredients that promote a healthy gut environment. Here are some key ingredients to consider. Probiotics. These are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. Common sources include yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. Prebiotics. These are non-digestible food components that stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Foods rich in prebiotics include bananas, onions, garlic, and whole grains. Fiber. Dietary fiber aids digestion and helps to maintain a healthy weight. Sources include fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Anti-inflammatory ingredients. Ingredients like turmeric, ginger, and green tea can reduce inflammation in the gut. Hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Water, herbal teas, and broths are excellent choices. Recipes for overnight gut health drinks. Here are some delicious and powerful recipes that you can prepare to enhance your gut health overnight. Lemon ginger detox drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in a cup. Drink this mixture before bedtime to help cleanse your digestive system overnight. Apple cider vinegar drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of cinnamon. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a glass. Stir well and drink before going to bed to support digestion and weight loss. Turmeric golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: heat the almond milk in a small saucepan. Add turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and honey. Stir well and simmer for a few minutes. Drink warm before bedtime. Aloe vera juice. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink this mixture before bedtime to help soothe your digestive system. Cucumber mint water. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 cucumber, sliced, a few fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Instructions: add cucumber slices and mint leaves to the water. Stir in chia seeds. Let it sit for a few minutes before drinking. Tips for maximizing the benefits. To make the most out of these gut health drinks, here are some tips to keep in mind. Consistency is key. Drink these beverages regularly to see the best results. Balanced diet. Complement these drinks with a balanced diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your digestive system functioning optimally. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help improve gut health by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing stress. Get enough sleep. quality sleep is crucial for overall health and can positively impact your gut microbiome. The science behind gut health and weight loss. The connection between gut health and weight loss is complex and multifaceted. Research has shown that certain bacteria in the gut can influence how the body processes and stores fat. For instance, some studies suggest that a higher ratio of firmicutes to bacteroidetes in the gut microbiome is associated with obesity. By altering the gut microbiota through diet, probiotics, and prebiotics, it is possible to promote a healthier balance of bacteria, which can aid in weight loss. Moreover, the gut microbiome can affect the production of short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which are produced when dietary fiber is fermented in the colon. SCFAs play a crucial role in maintaining gut health, regulating metabolism, and reducing inflammation. Incorporating foods and drinks that promote the production of SCFAs can therefore be beneficial for weight management. Personalized nutrition for optimal gut health. Every individual's gut microbiome is unique, influenced by genetics, diet, lifestyle, and environment. As such, personalized nutrition is essential for optimizing gut health. Paying attention to how your body responds to different foods and drinks can help you tailor your diet to your specific needs. For instance, some people may benefit more from probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir, while others might find prebiotic foods like bananas and onions more effective. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, weight management, and detoxification. The powerful overnight gut health drinks discussed in this video are not only easy to prepare but also highly effective in promoting a healthy digestive system. By incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine, along with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and enhance your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, and making small, sustainable changes can lead to significant improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.